Is Windows failing to load because of the Visual FoxPro OLE Database Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Access the official Visual FoxPro OLE Database Library Diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Visual FoxPro OLE Database Library, the Microsoft Visual FoxPro OLE DB provider, which enables modern applications to access and query legacy Visual FoxPro databases stored in .dbf and related table formats. It provides the data access layer required for interoperability with older business systems. If missing, dependent applications may fail to initialize database connections and display errors such as provider not found or database could not be initialized. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. When a core file like Visual FoxPro OLE Database Library DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Visual FoxPro OLE Database Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Visual FoxPro OLE Database Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility referenced below includes information related to Visual FoxPro OLE Database Library synchronization. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Visual FoxPro OLE Database Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.